There are places where the land preserves the memory of generations, where the wind still carries the voices of ancestors. From the heart of this land, a call comes. And this call travels beyond the horizon. Across endless sands, across rivers and seas, across lands where the wind remembers ancient roads, across the northern expanses where people have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. And everyone who has heard this call sets out on a journey. The roads meet again in the heart of Kyrgyzstan. The 6th World Nomad Games.